negative testing. I can also like do, okay, let me show just one more. As a bad, I should not be able to sign in to the panel to keep blank the email field, to keep give to input the password, to input the right password, but keep blank the email field. See, I can say I can like do only this function. I can do at minimum like 20 negative test cases. Okay, so okay, so password is like test
1122.
1122, but I can just keep it blank. Okay,
Please provide your mail
so
address.
yep. So this is like expected. Like I should not able to log in because I'm just giving the all the thing invalid information. Okay, so this is how just as a tester I can do the execute the test. See, just I am executing only one function, and but I can do extensively, right? And another thing as a tester they need to do, the so far now whatever I'm doing, all this thing is called the manual testing. Okay, there is no automation, and as I said, the automation is not comes at the beginning. Okay, first by like all the testers they do the manual testing, and most of the bugs they find out in the manual testing, not the automation. After executing the like the manual testing, find out the bugs, fixing the bugs by the developer, after just like verifying all the things is fine, then they just push this to the automation engineer so that they can do the automate this on this function. Okay, okay, so now like what they do also, another thing, that one is the documentation. This is also very important. Okay, so how to do the documentation? The documentation we can do like in each stage, I mean in each level. Like if I want to do the documentation on the collection level, I can do this. If I want to do the documentation into the collection folder level, I can do this. If I want to do the documentation into the subfolder level, I can also do this. And if also I can want to do documentation for this request, I can also do this. So just simply just click on this dots, then view documentation, and you will see nothing here. Okay, there is no documentation here. See, for every documentation panel is different. Okay, you just simply click on this and you'll be able to do this. Okay, so let me show you from the request level. So from the request level here, you can just click on this. This is only for this one, okay, not for all the requests. So just click on this edit. Then here there could be different template. By the way, they in different project they may follow different template, but most of the common things they usually do, or they usually add in this page documentation. So let's say date, which date I had have been added, then tested by, then executed by, test designed by, test executed by, reviewed by. Okay, then objective, expected result, actual result, test status. Also you can put the like test data if you want. Okay, so this is the information we can add. Like date is like 1/5/2023. Test designed by like me. I also executed. Sometime designer is like maybe Famid is designing the test cases. Farhana is executing those test cases. So could be the different person or could be the same person. Then reviewed by, let's say, Famid. Objective like as a buyer, or buyer should be able to log in with registered or valid email and password. Okay. Expected result, buyer should get a token, right? Buyer should get a, like, what it calls, the JWT token, and success message. And so, yeah, success message. Actual result, yes, we saw that. After giving the valid information, we are getting this. So buyer gets a JWT token. Okay, token. The JWT is Java Web Token already. I don't need to add token again. JWT, and with success message. So as the expected result and the actual result is matching, so test status is passed. And test data could be like, I can give, like, I can just simply copy this. Where it is? Yeah. Okay. You can also do some formation here.
I have a question, Prantabai.
Yes, go on.
So what does it mean by JWT token?
Okay, so JWT token is, okay, let me. So when we're after executing this information, this email and password, we're getting the token, and this is
Yeah.
called the JWT token. Okay. So
So it's
in
like
this token,
basically
yes,
after you run the test data, the token you get, that's called JWT token, right?
yes.
Okay.
So this token is for basically for the authorization.
Okay.
Okay. So in every application, it's common, right? Like without
Yes.
login, let's say in our portal, without login, you cannot access anything, right?
Yes.
And like as if Hamid, when you are logged in into the portal, you can only see or you can only access the product owner program, right?
Yes.
You cannot access the QA program. So how your system knows that, okay, when Famid will log in, I will give him or I will give him the permission only for the product owner program, not only rest of the programs, right? So
Yes.
system needs to know behind the scene. When you are login, system behind the scene, system works with the your credential, system works, system just navigate to you into the page where you should be there. So how it happens? When you logged in with this your valid email and password, behind the scene there is a JWT token is created for you based on your information. Okay, and if I show you, let me show you one thing. Uh, JWT. I forgot. Okay, let me see. I forgot the website name. JWT.io means maybe. Yeah, JWT.io. See, after reading this token, can you like read anything like that behind the scene that uh, do you think that is there any information here?
Just some random words.
Some random words and number, right?
Yeah.
But if you paste it there, see, behind the scene, it's containing your email. It's containing your role. It's containing your ID, and it's also containing your expired date and the issue date. I mean, when it's created.
Got it.
So instead of this is the for the security reason. Instead of sharing the your email and password every time for to all the functions, it's shared your token basically. Okay. It
Okay.
does not share your password every time because there is a high chance to hack your password. But if this token is hacked, there will be nothing happen to your account. Okay.
Yes.
So every time when you click in a function, like after login, if you click on the my program at the very beginning, this token is passed. Then it checked, it verified behind the scene this token is valid or not. If it is see that yeah, this token is valid, then it is just navigated you to the my program page. After every button, whenever you click, at the very beginning, it's verify your token. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So this is how actually behind the scene it works. Okay. This is how the logic is written. Okay. So as a tester, they need to do manual testing. They need to do like the positive test case documentation, and also they have to do the negative test case documentation also. So let me show you this quickly also so that you guys can do later. What is end fragment? What is the purpose of this? Okay. Oh, I think. Okay, let me copy this. Let's go for the negative one. View duplication. Sorry, view documentation. Okay, then this one. So just click on the edit and paste it. Okay, these things are good. So here let me change this one. So buyer should not be able to log into the panel. Okay, what is this scenario for? With wrong email, right? Or log into
Yes.
the panel with wrong email, but right. Okay, wrong email. Sorry. Okay. So what is the expected result?
Uh,
Buyers
should
should
not get that
get an
error
error
code.
message. Okay.
Yes.
Then also we saw that buyer gets an error message.
Message.
So the test status is passed.
Passed.
Yeah, because my expectation and actual result is matching. Okay, I am expecting that it should not allow me to log in. Okay, then the test data you can just simply that's doing the same thing. Just simply go there and copy this. So this is just only for that you can use this data in future, or you can check that okay, which data is have been used for that. That's it. So you can keep also the test data if you want. As I said, there is no template is that this is the final template. Okay, in every company they have either they have their own template or they can just follow some others template, but you just can simply follow these templates and you can just add the information. Okay, save it. So yeah, this is how you can add the positive test cases, and you can do the negative test cases, and you can also implement the documentation. Okay, so do you have any question here?
No, not from me.
Farhana,
Yeah, I'm good.
Faria, do you have any question now?
I think
She
she's not
said
here.
she's gonna be gone for a while. I don't know.
Okay, Fozia.
No, so far.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, if there is no question, so I think this is it. So you guys can do the show and tell on the Postman. If you want,
Prantu
I
bhai,
think Farhan already did. Yeah.
Before we leave, I just want you to review, like, for me, I'm not like 100% done, probably 80% I did the show and tell. I just want to explain, and like, if you think I need to make any correction or anything.
Sure.
So,
So yeah, but yeah, before that, okay, let me wrap up from this. So
Mhm.
okay, so you guys can just do the show and tell if you want. So yeah, you can just simply follow whatever I have showed today. So just simply do the
Yes,
same thing.
this part I understand better now. Like he was
Yeah,
asking me a question on this one documentation part.
yeah, yeah. So yep, so you can just simply follow step by step, watch this video again and follow all the steps, then you can do into the show and tell. That's it for you, because as a product owner, you don't need to do a lot of things here. Okay. Okay, so let me stop the recording and stop sharing. Famid, you can